What's up, you guys? I just got me some coffee. Show you this right here. Little nitro cold brew action. About to head to grab some water from my water tank. And then I'm gonna head back to the house, shower. Damn, homie, you need a belt, buddy. I'm gonna head back to my house, drop my trailer, shower, and then I might go fish later with Chaz. We'll see though. Morning, you guys. Starting off at a customer's house. About to wash their car. So here's the setup. Not too bad. Pretty clean, actually. This customer likes to keep their cars very clean, which is nice for me. There's the rig. So yeah, let's get started. Just finished up this job right here. Here's the finished product. This is my only one of the day. And then after this, I'm gonna head home, grab some food. All right, so here's the aftermath of the 4th of July off-road session. As you can see, there's a lot of silt. So yeah, this is probably the dirtiest my truck has ever been, to be honest with you. Yeah, it's pretty hammered, not gonna lie. Show you the inside. It's hammered. As you can see, everything is dirty. So yeah, definitely some fun times though. For this week, I'm probably gonna be doing some detailing jobs. Just try and make some good content for you guys. All right. Here it is after the wash. So I'm gonna give you a little bit of a better walk around of my truck. It's basically just leveled on 33-inch tires. It has a 2.5-inch level. Nothing crazy. Just wanted a little bit meatier of a look, you know, instead of the stock tires. I've had it like this for about maybe 6 months now, 7 months. I'm pretty happy with it. I think it looks cool. I've seen a couple more trucks the same color and same wheel color, but I mean, hey, it looks cool. I think I dig it. There's not too many of them. I've just seen, you know, a handful, less than a handful. I bought it off an older gentleman. I'll show you the inside. Here's the inside. I just cleaned it. Just did a full detail on it. Just the inside on the back. So, like I said, it's nothing crazy. Just an old Silverado with some wheels and tires on it. I'll show you something real quick. I cut the muffler off, so it's pretty loud. I kind of regret it at times, but it also sounds pretty cool. So, I mean, I guess it is what it is. And then, check this out. Here's a full-size matching spare, which I just bought. It's dirty. It's actually, the wheel's brand new, but it's just a little dirty from being on there for maybe a month or so. That's the truck. Future plans with it are, I guess, I mean, I'd eventually like to do like a long travel kit and, you know, do like a kind of a pre-runner build. I'd like to do some kings. Maybe a coilover and a bypass in the front, coilover bypass in the rear with a bed cage, bigger shocks, some light bars, and then I'd like to do some race seats, maybe like a cage in the inside, in the cab, and then mount some double spares on the back with, you know, gas can and full-size jack and all that other good stuff. I mean, time to tell, obviously. I've only had the truck about a year or so, and I'm pretty happy with it. I mean, it's a stock truck. It's not very high off the ground, but it does its job. It's been very good to me so far. It's at like 140,000 miles ish, and I bought it at like 110. So I mean, 30,000 miles. It's been a good truck to me. It's had its hiccups and little stuff, but I mean, hey, it's an older American vehicle. So if you guys don't live in California, then you guys wouldn't understand how fast some of these drivers drive. Like, I'm doing about 65 towing a trailer, and they're driving like 90, and it's barely 6:45 in the morning. Sometimes I just don't understand why people are driving so fast. And then there's times where you're driving like 2 miles an hour on the freeway or stopped. So I don't know. I don't really understand California and the traffic, but it is what it is, I guess. Figured I'd share with you guys if you guys aren't from California, or if you guys don't live in California currently. All right, here's the finished product. This is a 2021 F-250 Lariat, I think. Let me show you the inside. Black on black, murdered out. Heated cold seats. Show you the back. Boom. Done and done. On to the next one. Let's see.
Grab it by the tail.
Does someone want to go grab the
Pliers?
tongs? Or tongs? I call them tongs. The pliers, fool.
Step on it. Step on it.
Yeah, I want to see
Well, you're gonna keep it, aren't you? Yeah, I'm keeping it. There you go.
Wow, that looks cool.
Bait? Oh, he's slippery. Oh, I put him right in the crack. Are you gonna keep him for bait?
Yeah.
What's up, guys? So I get a phone call this morning. Probably about like 15, 16 missed calls from my buddy. And I finally answer. I was asleep, and he's like, "Hey, dude, remember that time when you got stuck and I was sleeping and I had work the next day?" And I was like, "Yeah." And he's like, "Yeah, it's one of those times." So he tells me, "Yeah, my buddy, my coworker, he went up this huge hill and his tie rod snapped on his truck. So we kind of need you to come help us out." So I was like, well, yeah, screw it, dude. I'm down. I'll come help you guys. We're currently at the top of this hill. And yeah, here's his truck. Duramax. Cat eye. And then I'll show you guys the tie rod. Where is it? Right there. See that thing? That right down there is not supposed to be snapped. You say it did a little bit of some type of rigging. So yeah, now we're out here waiting. Jerry and his coworker went up to Napa to get some parts and a new tie rod for his truck. Well, we successfully fixed his truck. Got it all done up, fixed the tie rod. Currently off-roading back to the street. Yeah, Chaz, big chillin'.